No, you guys, this is great. This all worked out.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, don't
Chaplain.
Just have a lot of fun.
Mom,
Whoa.
we're gonna sing, Mom.
Wow.
Are they
Wow.
hearing it? Rohan, Nana.
Oh,
See, I don't
Whoa.
have to make
Wow.
noise.
It's the
What?
drones. It's the drones.
They are drones, I think.
They're drones?
Yeah, they are drones.
Oh my God.
Rock the
It's
bell.
the drones.
It's the drones. Get your phone, Mom.
I don't have the phone. You do.
Oh, you.
Mimi, Mimosa said to take the AC on.
It's the drones. Turn
Wow.
on the AC and get signal.
No.
Yeah, Chanda.
Oh my God, it's the drones. Spell out
So
burger.
weird.
ఏంటమ్మా?
Why does it matter? I am watching it. This one. It's burgers.
Wow, that's an American flag.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Drones
Yeah,
అవన్నీ.
No, there are
Welcome to
drones.
They were
America.
gonna do this theme this year. I read a little bit. This
Macys.
is such a better view than where we were.
Oh, they messed up the
Yeah.
stars.
ఇది
Not
కనిపించేది
fully
కాదు.
complete.
Definitely
Yeah,
కాదు.
definitely.
Definitely గా ఇది చూసేవాళ్ళం కాదు. Definitely గా.
Look, Rohan, look.
Yeah, they're using drones, Mom. Duh.
Really?
Yeah, those are
they're
drones, yeah.
What else could they be? Flying saucers.
Wow.
That is so cool.
Don't say that.
అసలు ఎంత
That looks so
cute గా
creepy, though.
మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు.
Guys, we're being invaded. It's the end of the world.
Oh my god.
You're not.
Buddy.
You know what?
Let's
I hate
calm
that
down.
commentary.
Oh, guys, this is spectacular.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, we can see it
Awesome.
too.
Let me make sure they can see it.
Yeah, they can see it. They can see it.
Okay. Rohan,
Oh, it's a star. It's like a lone star.
Rohan, where's my phone?
I don't know. I gave it back to you.
You did not.
Are these like automatically set to be
Just
controlled
ask
like
someone
this?
to tell you.
They are programmed. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh.
It's beautiful.
Rohan, where'd you put?
ఒక స్టార్ మిస్ అయింది.
Oh my
That's
god,
okay.
watch out for the plane. Watch out for the plane. That plane. Whoa.
Oh, statue. Statue.
Oh, amazing. But you just watch it, don't look at it. Because it's not worth it.
Please save quicker.
5,
ఇప్పుడు లేదు
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's literally rotating.
Yeah,
Wow.
because they're rotating all the drones. I think they're rotating all the drones.
Yep, that is right. That is what they're doing.
అటువైపు
Why are there so many
చూస్తున్నారు, ఆ
planes?
పాపులేషన్ కూడా
Why are there so many planes?
అటువైపు కూడా నుంచి చూస్తున్నారు.
Those are
అదంతా.
passenger planes.
So this is the only
Watch
one.
out, it's gonna hit you guys.
Is there fireworks here?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Why is that plane standing still?
స్టాచ్యూ ఆఫ్ లిబర్టీ దగ్గర ఇంకోటి ఉంటుంది.
Oh, it's a pride statue.
But not
Now it's a pride
not as big
statue
as
of
this one.
liberty.
ఇలా కాదుగా నాకు ఇంకోటి ఏదో వస్తుంది.
Goodbye, drones. We
No,
know
it's
what.
the I think it's still a Statue of Liberty, but they're like, lighting it up in a
Fireworks!
weird way. Never mind, that's a DNA helix now.
Yeah.
American DNA.
Yes,
It's the reason
sir.
why homeless people pee in the subways.
Okay. Okay, buddy.
My mom said I was supposed to be Canadian.
Oh yeah.
You said you were a businessman. You are a businessman.
And both.
Okay, got it. How did you like India, man?
It was okay.
It was okay.
Except one time I saw a naked monk.
Interesting. Thank you for telling us.
Why does that look like aliens are invading?
I don't know, buddy.
I think they have to get like planes cleared out of the sky just to do this.
ఎంటర్టైనింగ్ గా ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళు అసలు పొంగిపోయి ఉంటారు.
Guys, fireworks are gonna be going on for like an hour.
No, 25 minutes.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Last time it was an hour. Last year it was an hour.
నేనైతే
Was it
తినలేని
actually?
తర్వాత మీ
Oh,
దాంట్లో
and by the way,
చేస్తాను.
you're not
అసలు
recording.
ఇదైతే మెస్మరైజింగ్ గా
I
ఉంది.
am.
I know. I'm waiting for it to happen.
ఆహా, లేదు లేదు కనిపించదు. ఈ కనిపించదు.
Oh my god, American
అంటే
flag.
మొత్తం ఇంత వ్యూ కనపడదు.
ఉన్నాయి పై పైన అలా కనిపిస్తుంది.
Watch out, it's coming close to us. Ah! We're all gonna die.
Come on.
Do, do.
You go down.
My friend, I wish Jace was here. Oh god, where's this thing? Aren't planes supposed to be good at the sky by now?
Wait, so these are the fireworks?
No.
You think those are the fireworks?
Wait, Cuckoo.
I don't know, but
I don't know what fireworks do.
I don't know. Maybe they're trying out something new. I don't know.
No, they're not gonna. No, fireworks are like a trend. It's like a TikTok trend in May 4th of July.
Oh,
It's like a TikTok.
interesting.
Yeah, it's become as popular as a TikTok.
Rohan, come here for a sec. Chase is on the line.
Oh, jeez! Finally, I can tell I'm using all this stuff.
What does that
Hey,
say?
there's Macys.
Yeah, it says
Macys.
Yeah,
Macys.
just focus on the fireworks. Keep it low here.
Please come together
Wow,
quickly.
you hard work, you hard work.
Can it stop blinking?
Perfect.
Yeah, I think they are done.
That's so cool. Oh my god. Macys, you are so cool.
Yeah, yeah. దీనికోసం నేను ఇంకోసారి షాపింగ్కి వెళ్ళాలి
I don't know how much money they spend on this thing.
యా వాళ్ళ బడ్జెట్
This is the
పెంచాలంటే
biggest promotion.
కిరణ్ షాపింగ్ చేయాలి కిరణ్ మేసీస్ నుంచి
Why are you
Yeah, they're starting. They're starting. Yes, they're starting.
Wait, did the drones go down in time
Hmm.
for this?
Yeah.
That would be so dangerous if it did.
See the vibrations?
Yeah.
Door open లేదా? Open
ఇక్కడ
open.
ఏసీ ఉంది ఇటు వస్తారా
Oh my
ఏసీ ఉంది
god!
కాదు.
Hey, it's way better in here. It's way
He
better
wants
in
a
here.
sound for some reason.
Ooh.
The sound bounce like
Chance
Yeah, Daddy, what else do you want?
Hmm.
Oh my god.
This is good.
Daddy wants boom button or something.
మార్చి మూడో దాటి కనిపిస్తుంది
Oh my gosh, I can see it. Oh my gosh. Those are giants.
My camera isn't even picking it up because it's so much glare.
Doo-doo-doo. I know, that's the thing. Whoa.
You're good.
Whoa. Here comes the big boom.
I don't know, that wasn't so big to me.
No, it's gonna get weird. This is just the beginning.
Okay.
వావ్ యు ఆర్ స్మార్ట్ బేబీ
I saw this like 10 times. It's pretty boring at this point.
Oh boy.
It gets boring at the end, but then there's a giant one that comes. The last one is the biggest.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was the twirling one. The twirling ones always go really high. Boom. I always get scared that they're gonna hit us.
They won't.
Oh wow. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Oh wow. My eyes are burning. I can't take my eyes off this thing. My dad is seeing all this from work because he literally works right across that river.
Oh no, wait, that's crazy.
Oh. Whee. Whoopee whoop.
కిరణ్ ఇక్కడ అక్కడ పొద్దుతో కదా
Oh wow, it's giant. Oh, here comes the big boys.
Wow.
Ooh. Ooh.
That sounded like applause.
Or
Imagine it is for applause. Oh my god! The whole sky is turning like it's daytime. Oh, here comes the twirling ones are always the biggest. Just so you know. The ones that twirl the biggest. Those are the small ones that are super boring. Wait, I just realized, aren't all those fire specks falling into the water?
Yeah.
And causing pollution? Yeah. Oh wow. This is bad. Oh, whatever.
Yeah,
I
my-
always think that little light from that building there is like the firework.
My camera quality can't pick that up.
Oh, what? Is that a Samsung?
How'd you know? How'd you know, buddy? How'd you know?
Because I know phones. I used to have one. So someone named ANITA broke it.
A-N-I-T-A. Oh. That took me a second. I was like, A-N-I-T-A?
What? Bro, let me show you the fireworks from here. Oh, let me show you that. Hold up. This is my friend Jason. Hi, Jason.
What are you saying?
Jason, are you seeing the fireworks? Yeah, I know.
Wait, so there's still gonna be like 20
By
minutes
the
of
way, I'm
this?
using.
25.
It's gonna be 20 minutes.
No, but it's already been 5 minutes.
Hmm.
So another 20 minutes, I'm saying.
Yep.
So guys,
Of this?
I'm
Yep.
using
More of
your
this?
toys. I'm using your
Different
Game
things.
Boy,
Oh.
your little
Oh, there's
ukulele
different, there's
there.
different, there's different.
Hey, oh, bam, bam, bam.
You think they have like fireworks
Oh my God!
rehearsals?
Whoa! They didn't do this last year. They didn't do that many. All right, bye, Jace. I miss you, man. Why are you not wearing a shirt? Oh God! Now we're scared. Oh God! Let me see this one. These are the best ones. These are the best ones that I like. Happy. What? It's not Christmas. What? Why are they doing that? It's not Christmas. Yeah, the red green. They're not, it's not. It's not. Oh my God! Wait, they're doing all those fireworks from a boat.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool.
I thought you were seeing it
Yeah,
for
for
10
the
years.
10th time, yeah.
No, how old are you, Rohan? 12, 11?
I'm 10.
Boy.
I thought mommy said you're 11. You're going
Well,
to be...
I like to say I'm 11 because in India I'd be considered 11.
Okay, got it.
But
Whoa.
I'm 10, but you can call me 11.
That's great.
Oh, those are the best fireworks. They look like missiles.
You like to be at Amama?
Yeah, it was super fun.
It is still fun.
We went to Dairy Queen. Yay! It's like the 10th time I've seen this.
I have too many pictures of the same fireworks.
They're not the same as last year.
Okay.
They were like way higher than
Oh,
last
wow.
year.
Not exactly what I was talking about, but that's okay.
Whoa! I feel like the world is blowing up. Well, it makes sense. It's already climate change.
వచ్చింది.
No, the one in the middle, right? That one?
They come see a confident wife?
Just to see his dad.
What is it?
Daddy, you think they do test runs?
No.
They just hope for it to work?
No, they're not actually good cheap, but they do some. Pretty good.
సినిమా మీరు సినిమా టీవీ సరే టీవీ
Look how those ones are like splitting. Those are smiley faces?
ఇవి ఇగో.
Yeah, I saw it, yeah. Are they supposed to be smiley faces?
వాళ్ళు అదర్ సైడ్ ఉంటారు.
But they still
హడ్సన్ రివర్ వైపు ఉంటారు.
వాళ్ళకి కనిపిస్తుంది కదా జే
కొంచెం కనిపిస్తాయి అంతే.
maybe a little.
ఇది ఉండదు
ఇది హడ్సన్ కదా
హడ్సన్
ఇది హడ్సనే కదా
ఇది ఈస్ట్ రివర్.
ఈస్ట్ రివర్ వాళ్ళైతే అప్పుడు తీసుకుంది 10 years బ్యాక్ 750K 2 bedroom అక్కడ దాని గురించి కదా
High-rise construction.
అచ్చా high-rise construction.
Whoa. Man, the whole, this is like the Canadian wildfire.
Okay.
కెనడియన్ వైల్డ్ ఫైర్స్ అంట
The
ఓవర్
effects.
ఫుడ్
The
ఊరినే పుట్టుకొని
effects. I didn't mean an actual Canadian wildfire. I meant an effect.
We get you, we get you.
And when we get out, it's gonna be like a Canadian wildfire. It's super,
Well, that one's going super high.
that one went giant high.
How much they cost?
They cost like 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 sometimes. No, they're not. Trust me. I one time asked the guy who actually bought these.
There's no way, buddy.
What, 2,000? That's pretty good. Oh, okay. Now I should not be talking. Look, that ones are like asteroids. Whoa. Crap.
ఈ ఎడ్జ్ నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి.
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి
అదే
మ్మ్.
అంత క్లియర్ గా కనపడుతుంది
అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసిన అవి లోడ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి
అవును
Back
కరెక్ట్
in load అవుతుంది.
But the rest is not for money.
ప్రోగ్రామ్ లేదు
You don't get the best deal of data here. It's New York. Everything is bad here. Oh God, look! Drone! Or is that a plane? Oh, what is that? What, is that a low-flying plane?
That's a drone.
Oh, recording all the things that they
ఓకే హౌ వాస్ ఫిషింగ్
స్మోక్ అయిపోయింది స్మోక్
Now intensity is growing.
అయిపోయిందా
No.
No.
There's more.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, it's worse! My gosh. This is really bad for the environment.
Do you see that? On the ship, it's like spurting.
యా చూసాను ఆ షిప్ మీద చూసారా క్లియర్ కనిపిస్తుంది షిప్ లో చూస్తే అక్కడి నుంచి అలా వస్తుంది
That's not what I'm talking about.
ఆ?
too much fireworks too.
There's a what?
And
There's a what?
and
An ant?
yes,
Like an actual bug?
yeah, like
Can I stand here? Here. To see here. Oh wow, this is a way better view.
oh wow.
Type in Macy's family.
It's like a rocket ship.
Can you see anything in the through the like the smoke, Daddy?
Yeah, now it's all smoke.
Yeah.
It's all
Cannot see the New York skyline.
I'm saying through your camera.
Yeah, I can't see anything. It's not the Empire State Building, by the way. That's the Empire State Building.
Almost there. Somewhere there.
It's over there. Are you talking about the Empire State Building was there?
It's somewhere in that.
It's over there. Trust me. I live in New York. You can't say no to this. Okay.
What?
Over there, you're thinking that's the Chrysler Building.
I can't see anything. I just saw it earlier. So I was
Well,
over here.
yeah. Here, you're looking at the Chrysler Building. That looks like it has a rocket on top. And it was the one that had like lights going like this. That's the Chrysler Building.
Hey, what summer camp do you have tomorrow? Do you need to
Zootopia.
Funny, you gotta go down.
I mean, let me turn this down. It's hot in here. I can't see a thing. Can someone put the photos on?
Yeah, then break it. Leave it down. Leave it down.
It's very cold. That's hot. Oh, it's so cold.
How about we not touch the AC?
I was joking about that thing, by the way. It didn't actually almost explode, but it almost did get. It is very sensitive.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone believed.
Man. Oh, the twirly ones are always the biggest. Oh, my eye.
Wow.
Bam!
Yes.
Oh, those ones. I think they had to get like planes cleared. That's why there were so many planes zooming by just so they can get
Right.
the place.
You got it.
Oh, you can see all the black smoke coming from that.
Yeah.
Man, it's like a big fog you get around here.
Right, this way and type it.
And my gosh, smoke, man. Don't smoke, it's a joke.
Bro,
I mean, that's really good.
हाँ, delete कर दे, जा सकते हैं, लगती है, village में लगती है, जाता है। Too much.
Man, it's too loud, I'm telling you. Oh, here comes the big one. Boom. The ones that go the highest are the biggest.
yeah, you're right.
Like the lowest, they're big, but they're not like big, if you know what I mean.
Finale.
Yeah.
This is the finale.
This is not the finale. It's not.
Yeah, wait, what time is it?
9:48. We're at our last 2 minutes.
Yeah, this is it.
That could be the finale.
That's not the finale.
I know, but it has more potential to be it.
Oh, yeah, they're running out of budget.
He's not wrong.
They're running out of budget. USA is coming very, they're losing money because of you. Macys.
No, Macy's is spending all this money for us.
Yeah, they're just spending it for like fireworks that don't even like last forever.
Do you want them to
they
last forever?
pollute the they're like paying to pollute the they're paying to pollute the environment.
I agree with you. I agree completely.
Ah, no, this is too loud, man. I feel like we're about to die. Ah! Oh my god, I see all the residue.
Nothing is showing up on my camera because of the smoke.
It's Sam, somebody inspect.
Why? Bring out your I'm bringing out your iPhone.
Yeah, this is the
That's
final one. This is the
I
final.
have it at home. I don't bring it everywhere. I'm done. It's too loud. I'm done. Look at all the smoke that's getting on the window. If we were to open this window, we'd all be coughing.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm glad we're not outside because we'd all be
It's
coughing.
not,
No good.
Oh, there goes some more.
One word at the end.
one?
Happy birthday! It's the Independence Day.
So, happy birthday to independence. What is that supposed to
Yeah,
mean?
that's basically me. That's technically.
My birthday what? America?
Yeah.
What did you want to say?
Here comes the finales. Here
Happy
comes the
birthday,
finales.
independent America.
Happy birthday, America. Oh, if you think of it, it kind of is the birthday of America. It is.
It's the birthday of like independent America.
Yeah, it's the birthday of independent America. Happy birthday, independent America. Good morning, America.
There's like a chunk of black fog.
Yeah, because it's all the residue.
Yeah, I know, but
If
I
we were
wish.
to go outside, we'd probably be coughing.
Yeah.
I literally feel the vibrations from that right over here. Oh man, that's too bright.
Bro, they going OT, bro. They going OT.
No, okay. Look, feel the window. Feel the window.
Okay.
Yeah. What? It's close enough. Also, no, it's not the air conditioner.
This one's the air conditioner.
No, where'd the ant
The
go?
windows.
The ant's long gone. Oh, it's right there.
Okay, yeah, I see
Hey,
it.
can you go away, ant?
It's not
That's a big one.
Yeah, it's
Why is that in here?
oh no.
That's a bullet ant. That could kill you. Why? Want to close AC?
What? Not.
Okay, that's the finale.
Oh yeah. This
Uh,
They're wasting all their budget at this last one. Is it not gonna clap? Everyone claps. It didn't end yet. No, it didn't end it. It's not Christmas. Stop it. Oh yeah.
Halloween.
Can you hear all the little? Ah, come on. Stop with the brightness.
It looks like pollen.
Yeah, it looks like USA down. Ah, it's so smoky. Why is it smoky in here? Where'd that ant go? I think the ant's like, I'm out of here. Whoa! Yeah, this is the finale. What time is it?
Closing
9?
time.
Oh,
Closing time.
9:52. I think they go to. I think they actually go to 35 minutes. I think they have 8 more minutes to do with this.
Might be half
No, they say today. Yeah, I think they said it's half hour actually. Yeah, it's a half hour, so we have 8 more minutes of this nonsense.
Are you not enjoying it?
No, it's polluting the environment.
Then why are you watching?
I don't know. It's satisfying.
I know. Why do we keep starting watching it?